Why do 50% of Ford owners say their AC struggles in the summer? Let's find out why your Mustang's AC might be on vacation. First up, check your refrigerant levels. Low refrigerant can make your AC blow warm air. Think of it as the lifeblood of your cooling system. If it's low, you might have a leak or just need a top off. Next, let's talk about the compressor. The compressor is like the heart of your AC system. If it's faulty or broken, your AC won't work properly. Listen for strange noises or look for leaks around the compressor. Another common issue? A clogged cabin air filter. If it's dirty, it restricts airflow and reduces cooling efficiency. Changing the filter is a quick and inexpensive fix. Don't forget the AC condenser. Located at the front of your car, it can get clogged with dirt and debris. This reduces its ability to cool the refrigerant. Cleaning it might be all you need. Last but not least, check your AC controls. Sometimes the problem is as simple as a blown fuse or a bad switch. These can be easily replaced and might save you a trip to the mechanic. So there you have it. Check your refrigerant, compressor, cabin air filter, condenser, and controls. Keep your cool and enjoy the ride. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Mustang tips.